If you're hoping to spot a Lambo in this video, you're in for a surprise. Being genuinely rich isn't just about sporting the latest Prada bag or owning the biggest house. In fact, it's quite curious. Sometimes achieving genuine financial freedom even means not having any of those things. These are the 7 things that make you truly feel rich. Number 6 is my favorite. Number 1, your bank account grows independently of your salary. This one might just be the ultimate thrill for some of us. You're there, glued to your screen, you hit that refresh button, and boom. What pops up? Numbers soaring up with unexpected income. It's like hitting the jackpot in your brain. Maybe you're acing your investments, or you've got some digital product running on autopilot. Whatever your secret sauce is, when you manage to earn income that isn't tied to just trading time for money, you're hitting the jackpot even while you sleep. And let me tell you, that feeling of success, it's unbeatable, even if it's just a few bucks a day. There's nothing quite like witnessing your wealth grow on autopilot. Making money with your brain is where the real magic happens. You're not confined by the clock or the strength of your muscles. Nope. You're building something today that keeps on giving tomorrow, and the day after that, and the next. All you gotta do now is scale it up. Remember, growth isn't a straight line, it's exponential. Sure, it's a roller coaster of emotions, but hey, that's part of the thrill, right? You're not just earning a living, you're playing a high-stakes strategy game, and guess what? You, my friend, are winning. If you want to turbocharge this journey, subscribe to our channel, TurboFinance. We'll be sharing videos packed with tips to help you get there faster. Number 2, going to events feels different. Going to events can sometimes start to feel like work, you know? While regular people struggle to find the time or energy to go out, successful individuals often find themselves at strategic gatherings where networking takes center stage. These events aren't just about having fun, they're about making connections and building relationships. You'll often spot them out and about even on weeknights because, for them, it's not leisure time, it's prime networking time. Events serve various purposes, from rubbing shoulders with key figures to fulfilling social obligations or bolstering their public image. That's why it's crucial to mind your manners, engage with others appropriately, and not overindulge in alcohol. Some nights you might not be in the mood to socialize, but there's this unspoken pressure to show up and put on a good face. Because, let's face it, everyone expects you to be living your best life. And that's when these events start to feel more like work than leisure. Number 3, you have the right food on hand. It's not about splurging. It's about having the right essentials to keep yourself feeling fantastic. Picture stepping into your kitchen and being greeted by a vibrant fruit bowl brimming with freshness, bananas, apples, berries, ready for a quick pick-me-up whenever you need it. Alongside, you've got your organic veggies packed with nutrients to keep you energized and thriving. Rather than simply grabbing whatever's on sale, you're intentional about choosing items that support your wellness journey. You understand that investing in quality now pays dividends in the long run. Sure, there are millionaires like Warren Buffett who enjoy fast food. But for them, it's a matter of taste, not a necessity driven by budget constraints. And it's not just about you, it's about your family too. By stocking the fridge with wholesome options, you're making it easier for everyone to make healthier choices. So, as you fill your shelves with the good stuff, keep in mind, it's not just about possession, it's about cultivating a lifestyle that prioritizes feeling good both inside and out. Number 4, paying bills through autopay and making purchases without checking your bank balance may seem mundane, but they contribute to a sense of overall financial security and can save you a lot of money. For instance, paying your rent for the whole year up front might score you a sweet deal from the landlord, while avoiding interest on installment plans for items like smartphones can keep more cash in your pocket. When you can handle expenses without fretting over the numbers, dodging financial disasters becomes second nature. You're cruising in the lap of luxury, knowing there's ample dough in the bank to cover it all and then some. Feeling rich is effortlessly swiping for that big-ticket item without so much as a glance at your account balance. Now that's living the dream. Number 5, crafting your own work schedule is like hitting the ultimate life goal. It's all about freedom, far beyond just having loads of cash. But let's clear something up. It's not about being lazy or lounging around all day. Most millionaires stick to disciplined routines, rising early and staying active to keep their minds and bodies sharp. However, the real magic lies in having a schedule that suits you, crafted by you, instead of being shackled by obligations. This is the essence of true wealth, the liberty to structure your day exactly as you desire. It's akin to being the captain of your own ship, navigating based on your passions and interests. Whether it's spending extra time with loved ones, pursuing a beloved hobby, or simply lounging in your pajamas, every moment is yours to savor. And guess what? You're not just living for the weekends or counting down to your next vacation. Each day is brimming with endless possibilities for happiness and fulfillment. So, let go of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. True wealth is about embracing life on your own terms, dancing to your own rhythm, and waking up each morning with the exhilarating sense that the day ahead is yours to conquer. Number 6, transforming lives. All right, this may be the best one. Imagine you've got the power to sprinkle a little magic dust of financial freedom wherever you go. It's like playing fairy godmother, but with a fat wallet instead of a wand. Maybe it's paying off someone's crushing debt, launching their dream business, or whisking them away to chase their passion project. Whatever it is, to be able to help other people to grow and improve is the best sensation ever. And guess what? The more you give, the richer you feel. It's not about hoarding wealth, it's about spreading joy and laughter like confetti. So, grab your cape and get ready to make it rain. Because changing lives with cash, knowledge, or opportunities is the ultimate power move, and it feels darn good. And speaking of sharing knowledge, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, where we freely share all the insights to help you thrive. Number 7, liberation through delegation. All right, here's the grand finale. The ultimate reason why feeling rich is pure gold. You've got your own crew handling the small stuff, freeing you up to focus on the real game changers. With a reliable team taking care of the nitty-gritty, you're out there living your best life, seizing every opportunity. Whether it's chasing your dreams, building your empire, or simply soaking up the joy of being alive, you're the captain of your ship, steering toward greatness. Because let's be real, time is the real MVP in this wild ride called life. And when you've got others handling the details, you've hit the jackpot of freedom. So here's to living large, dreaming big, and making every second count, because that's what true richness is all about. When you're juggling every little task, no matter how small, it feels like you're constantly putting out fires while trying to steer a ship through rough waters. Talk about exhausting. But that's where delegation saves the day. By letting capable hands handle the day-to-day stuff, you free up your own time to focus on the big picture. Delegating those little things means you've got more breathing room to think and plan. And that's the real secret to reaching your biggest goals. And that's a wrap, guys. But hey, before you go, remember this. It's your life, so make it epic. Take the wheel, steer towards your dreams, and embrace the wild ride ahead. Let's keep the good times rolling until our next video here on TurboFinance. Catch you later, alligators.